so as I said, today we are doing the second part of our investigation. We planned it yesterday. Today we are going to see the things that we are going to use and what observations we can get from them. So Nasir, would you like to read the LO again?
To investigate the suitability of materials for a raincoat.
Fantastic. Abdul Rahman, can we read the steps to success?
I can test the suitability of materials for a raincoat.
Okay, Muhammad, would you like to do the second one?
I can test the suitability for materials for a raincoat.
All right, who else? For what do we want to try in the next one?
I can write my observation for my investigation.
Investigation means what? Am I testing something or I'm reading something? I'm testing something. And finally, what are we going to do, Abdi? I can draw conclusions. That means we are going to find out finally what are we testing? Are we predicting correctly or not? Are we getting the right results? That's what we are going to draw the conclusions from. So what we want to do first things first, because we are starting the lesson, we want to get a little bit excited, right? So what I want you to do, you have your post-it notes on your table. Take one and discuss with your partner. Out of all these four materials, that's stone, plastic, fabric, tin foil, what is the odd one which doesn't go with them? And once you identify that, can you write just one reason why you think that's not the correct, they do not belong to the correct group? Can you write it on your post-it note? You can talk to your partner. And then you have papers around your classroom. Go and stick to them. I am going to give you 2 minutes and 1, 2, 3, and go. You can talk to your partner. Naji, talk to them.
Are you going to cover the vocabulary?
Yeah. We are doing talk for right actions. Right. So what is this? What is the group that doesn't belong? Stone. Why?
Because it's heavy.
It's heavy and durable and it's not suitable. Why? Yeah, write that down. Mubarak, are you leading? Lead it, Mubarak. Yeah? Right. What have you discussed? Which one is the odd one out? It's durable. But why doesn't it belong to this group? Because it is not what? It's not soft. It's what is this? What is this? And what is this? Rigid. That is why. Write it down. Anybody is ready to stick it? Anybody? Abdi, go to your corner. Muhammad, go to your corner. Stick it. Let's see. And anybody else is ready? Yeah. Right? What have you decided? Stone? Yeah? Why do you think it's, you have written out? Because it is hard. Well, what about plastic and tin foil and fabric? They are soft or hard? Very good. That is your reason. Well done. Write it down. Right. Let's start walking towards our walls to stick it. Remember, you have your own corner. Yes, very good. Go stick it there. Yes, go stick it there.
Oh, here.
There. Yeah, stick it here. Come. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I walked around and I saw many of you chose stone. I want someone to share with me why is that you chose stone. Shahabi, do you want to share it?
Stone because it is hard and you cannot spread it out to make a raincoat.
Okay, you're relating it to raincoat. Very good. You're connecting it to the yellow. Well done. Anybody has any other property that doesn't match and you use that? Mohammed? It's not fantastic, not flexible, and it's hard. It's durable, but maybe the others are also durable. We'll check today, right? Right, so we'll have a look. Yes.
Suitable.
Probably it's not suitable for the raincoat. You're connecting it to the yellow. Well done. Now, leave it. It's okay. So what we're going to do now, we are going to stand up and we are going to use our talk for writing actions to recall back some of the properties. We might be using it today. We might be using it later. We have been learning about these properties. Ready? And I am going to do my turn, your turn. That means my turn is to show the action and your turn is to identify the actions. Ready? I might not go in order, so I may just randomly choose and you have to focus to give me the answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and start.
Durable.
Durable, very good. And?
Flexible.
And? Rigid and absorption and waterproof and observation and investigation and conclusion and suitability. Did I leave out? Oh, I did leave out something. And lightweight. Okay, we might sit down. We might be using these properties and these keywords while doing our experiment today. Because what is the LO for today? What's the LO for today? To investigate the suitability of our materials for a raincoat. So now I want to ask you, talk to your partner and discuss what does suitability mean. I'll give you 30 seconds. Talk to your partner and see what does suitability mean. So what does suitability mean? That is something which is can be used to make a make a material. Right. What is it suitability? Something which is no, not fabric. What is suitability?
Like when I...
Something we can use.
Like we can-
Don't think about raincoat. Just say what we can use. Right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, some of you might have a little bit of confusion, but we are going to clear all our confusions today. Now, maybe Abdul Rahman can tell us, what did you understand by suitability?
Suitability is like our clothes, it's made out of leather.
Okay.
It's suitable and it's comfortable, so that's like suitable, right?
Okay, that means what? What's the correct word we are looking for?
It's good for something.
Good for something. Nawab, do you agree with him? Is it something we're talking about, good for making something? That's what we're talking about? Do you want to say it in some other way?
Suitability for a raincoat.
If it's not about raincoat, what is suitability as a word?
Suitability is something that's good for
Good for a purpose, good for something. Yes, Hashim, do you want to share some other way? It's a perfect suit. That means something which is perfect for something. That's what we're testing today. Remember, that's what we're testing today. So, objects are made from different materials. We know that, right? Everything is made from different materials. But we have seen all the materials are not made out of just random things. Is it? If I make a window out of paper, is it going to be suitable? No. If I make a desk out of glass, maybe we do sometimes, but is it durable? No, it is not. So that's what we're testing. I am going to show you how we test for suitability because I am going to show you with this. What is a mop? Yeah? Tamim, what's a mop?
It's something that like wipes water.
Wipes water. So if we are wiping water, we need to check. Someone tells me, Miss Upasana, I think you should make a mop. Because I'm an inventor probably, I don't know. So I'll make a mop, then I'm going to think, oh, what material am I going to use to make the mop? So what's the main purpose of a mop? The main purpose of a mop is to absorb. Well done for using a scientific term. Absorb it. Now, I have poured a little bit of water because we're talking about absorption. What is absorption again? What is absorption? Takes in water. So I am going to show you how we test materials for suitability so that you can use these ideas to do your investigation. So I have a few items on my table. I have, what is this? Fabric, plastic, paper or paper towel, tin foil. So I am going to test any two materials and you're going to identify, and I'll help you to see which one is the most absorbing material. So what is this again? Tin foil. We are going to check if the tin foil is going to help us absorb the amount of water that I have here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and I'm trying. Now I'm going to show, have I absorbed?
No.
Have I?
No.
No? Can you still see water? Yeah? Can you still see the water? Did I use this? That means did this work as an absorbing material? No. Will it be helpful for me to use this as a mop? No. No? Okay, let's try another material. Let's try our paper towel. Ready? I still have water. Are we ready? Eyes on me. And here I go. Do I still have Do I still have? No. So that means out of these two materials, which is tin foil and paper towel, which is the suitable material? Paper towel. Now you're going to tell your partner why. Why do you think this is suitable? And off you go. What did it do? What did the paper towel do? Absorb. I'm going to ask you, okay? It absorbed, right? Okay. Now, what else? Abdurrahman, what did it do? It's absorbing, right? That's the correct term. And Turkey, what did it do? Absorb. Thank you. Well done, boys. Now, I walked around and everybody gave me almost all the correct answers. They said it is suitable because, remember, we're using correct sentences and correct key terms. The most suitable material is, and we all say together, what was the suitable material? Paper towel. Because, remember we're using same sentences, because. Now, I can give you some help. Because, why was it suitable? Because, yes, Abdurrahman. Because it is absorbent. Other than absorbent, do you think it can be waterproof? Do you think it can be waterproof? No, because exactly, well done. Yes? Absorbs the water. Now, can I use any material which is rigid to make a mop? No, because it's not very usable, right? If it's very hard, very rigid, will I be able to carry it around? No. So these are the things we need to think about when we are testing something. Right, now let's have a look at this. You are going to do it yourself. I have a car and I am thinking of using these four materials. You are going to use the correct term, write it on your whiteboard, which is the most suitable material to make the car and why. You can use the help box to use the correct words. And I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. Yes. So which is in the car? We have plastic, wood, metal and paper towel. But fantastic. However, it's not going to be that durable. Very good. Remember to use your vocabs, the scientific vocabs. What is the most suitable and why? 2 minutes, most suitable and why. No, write why. You can use a help box to help you. That is, it is cheap or lightweight or not strong enough. Which is correct word? Reusable, flexible, long-lasting or durable. See which one is the correct word. Did you write the because? Durable and cheap. What else? What else? Think about other words. Long-lasting. Anything else other than long-lasting, durable? Cheap. What else? Because it could get into what? Yeah. So think about that. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Show your board to your partner and let your partner check the writing that you have done. Hold up your board as soon as you're done. Your partner is going to check your work. Let your partner check your work. Swap your boards. Let your partner check your work. Cheap, rigid, and what else? Why do you need it to be rigid? Why do you need it to be rigid? Why should it be rigid? If I have paper, right? I made a car, it's on the road. Paper is flexible. Then why do I need a rigid object? Why not a flexible object? Because it can?
It can drift like it can slide. You can crash.
You can crash. Or if it's light, what will happen? Lightweight, it'll fly away, right? Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, I have gone around and I've seen a lot of you are coming up with good ideas. Fawad, can you share your idea, darling? durable chip and rigid. Now, why do I need a rigid object? Why not a flexible object?
Because what if you're driving very fast on the road and you know bendy stuff can break?
Yeah.
So what if the wheels break and then you fall down or an accident
Crash,
happens?
right? Yeah, accidents might happen. So now we are learning what is the suitability of some material. So what did we do? We could identify materials and their properties, right? Then I am going to, next step is I'm going to test them. We have tested, I have done the testing. Now it's going to be your turn to do the testing. Remember, what is the LO? To investigate the suitability of our materials. We checked what are materials and their properties. We have checked a few properties. Now we are going to do the next step, which is testing. Now, for that, yesterday you all planned out your investigation. Do you remember that? What was the aim of our plan? What was the aim? What was the aim? Yes?
To investigate the suitability of material
For a raincoat. So that means we need to test a few materials for a raincoat. And what are the materials we said we will need? What is the equipment? Yes, Tamim?
Paper, bubble wrap, plastic, fabric, and water.
And observation tables. Now, yes. Now, can we only test this 4 or we can test any number? We can test anything, but we are choosing to test only these 4 or 5 materials. Now, this is something very important. Independent variable is what? Materials that you? What is independent material? I want everybody to say it loudly. Test. Now, I have done dependent material as amount of water. Have I done it correctly? No. Amount of water is, what did we decide as? Control. So this is wrong. I have decided the dependent variable, which is something we measure or test. And what did we decide we are testing? Different materials, and these materials should waterproof. So it should have been waterproof. Other than waterproof, what else? Durability. Very good. Durability. Anything else?
flexibility.
Flexibility. Now, these are the things you all planned yesterday. Today we are going to go and do these. So we discussed this. Now these are the items which are on various stations, right? We are going to get up. We are going to get up and we are going to go to our stations. Miss Nelly, Miss Nelly is there. The groups who are supposed to go out, go with Miss Nelly. And the groups who are supposed to stay in the class, come and take the resources. Go with Miss Nelly, darling. Take your resources. Take your resources. Right, take your resources from there. Your group, take your resources. Yeah, so you take this and this. Oops, sorry. Quickly, start your work. Hossan Naji, you're in that group. Give that to them. You already have your resources. Give this to them. Right. You can sit down, darling. You can sit down. You might get hurt. Sit down, darling. You might get hurt. First, make one item. Hussein Naji, come. So, make one item. The other group, make the other item. You two make the other item. They are making one item. They are making one item. You two make one item, and you two make another item. You two make this, and you two use the bubble wrap. Make it. Make a raincoat. Remember, we said we'll cut out the hole. Remember? Yes?
Okay, I put it on my hand.
No, wear it like a raincoat. So wear it like a raincoat, wrap it around you. Use it to wrap it around you. In the middle, in the middle. Abdurrahman. Boys, remember, 2 boys will do that and let the other 2 boys test the other material. Yeah, wear it. And then remember, you have to spray the water. No, you use one material. Fabric, one material, not all of them together. And you have to also wait for, it is not waterproof. How is fabric waterproof? You have to test it like this, yeah. Test it like this and then wait. And wait for some time, right? If you don't wait for some time, it will not. Yeah, so you test the other one. Test the other one. Right, have you tested? Yes, put your head through. Now, what I want, Fawad and Tamim, You all test another material. Let them test another material. Yes. Did you use the water? Yes. Make the water here. Here.
How many times?
10. Remember? Same for everything. 10, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So now you wait. Okay? Now you test the silver foil. They're testing the silver foil. Use the paper. Use the paper. Right. Two of you now use another material. You two do this. You two do another material. Huh? No, it is not. How is fabric waterproof? That is felt. That is why. No, you have to wait. You have to wait for some time. Right? You have to wait for some time, because if you do it right away, what will happen? It will not have enough time to go inside. Right? This is your fabric. Yeah? If you don't wait, it will not have enough time to go inside. Now test bubble wrap. Cut out a hole, wear it and test it. Right. Miss.
Are you counting?
Okay. These boys. Boys. Right. Take two groups. Right. So remember, boys, you're not just checking waterproof. What's the next step?
Durability.
Durability. How will you check durability? Flexibility. So only waterproof is needed. Is it waterproof? Okay. Now, that's done. Do the next one. Do the next one. This is waterproof, yeah. Take one only, one, just one paper. Right, yeah. Try it, yes. Make the cap, yeah, no. Wrap it around your arm, yeah. And then spray. Where's the spray bottle? Yeah. No. Khalifa, we need to have only one layer, not two layers. If you have so many layers, it will not work. So have only one layer, yeah, and then put lot of water so that it can. You wait for some time so that you have the chance. Remember, it's a control. Water is controlled, the same amount of water, right? So now, 10, 1, 2, 3, properly. 4, spray. 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. So now you wait and check. It's not waterproof. Well done. So test the next one. Test the next one. So what is your control?
The control is the amount of water.
Amount of water. So now, is this waterproof?
Yeah.
Now, after waterproof, what do we check? Durability. Check if it is durable or
Flexible.
flexible. Check that. Yeah. Right. Remember, boys, you are also using your word mats, right? Check the word mats for the words that you want to use. Yes, remove it and do the other one. Remove it. Boys, you have found it? All right. Now, I want you to use your word mats, right? These are the word mats that's going to help you find the exact word you are going to use. Yes, you can do it outside. Take your word mats so that the exact words you can use. Choose whichever you have found the answer for. Yes, you are. Right, Hamad, let's go. So that means, do you think it is suitable for a raincoat? No. Why? It's not. It is waterproof, but why? It is waterproof, but why is it not suitable? Not flexible. So that is why you cannot use it. So use the correct terms, okay? Right. Let me check outside for a minute. Right. Boys, remember, huh? But remember, boys, you're not just checking for waterproof. What's the next thing we need to check after waterproof? Durability and flexibility. So remove all the things we have tested and you can bring your books and write it down. Yeah, but remember about durability. That means it's not going to stay for long. Yeah? So you have to think about that also. Sit here and write your observation. Yeah, fabric is absorbent. You can sit down there and write. Here people are working. Right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How much is left, boys? One more material?
Not durable or waterproof.
Which one?
Paper towel.
The paper, of course, right?
Foil, it works.
It is. Foil is waterproof, but why can we not use the foil? Why can we not use the foil? Because it is
It is not flexible.
not flex. Because in a raincoat
It's
you need
rigid.
them. Yes, it is rigid.
Fabric is not waterproof, but plastic is waterproof.
Yes, but plastic is better or tin foil? You have to think about that now, right? Right. Boys, remember to use your word maths, okay? Huh? Spray it. Remember, no, Naji Hussain, it has to be on your clothes. Otherwise, how will you know it's waterproof or not? Try it on your clothes. Otherwise, how will you know? Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boys, leave the materials and then come outside with your books and your pencils. Books and your pencils. Let's go out. Let's go out with the books and the pencils. Take your science books. Take your science books and come out. Make your groups and write down your observation. Steps to success. Right, sit down here and write your observations, what you found. Sit down and write your observations. Are we done? Take your books, go to the corner.
It's come water.
Yeah, it's not waterproof. Take your books, right. Take your books. Take your books and write your observations. Naji, go to your group and write your observation. Where is your group? Sit here, I'll help you. Naji, come here, darling. We are going to check this also, right? Sit. It's okay, sit. So, write down on your tables, what did you see, okay? Write down. Rahman, leave this, darling. Right. Outside now. Take your books. Come on, quickly. Take your books and your pencils. Take your books and your pencils quickly, boys. Right. Abdurrahman, you can sit here for now, darling. Right. So, what observations did you find? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes on me. Mubarak, just a minute, darling. Eyes on me, boys. Why are we here right now? Because what are we doing? We've tested our materials, right? Yes. Now we are going to write our observations. That means some of you tested all the 5 materials. Some of you tested maybe 3 materials. Some of you told me, Miss, the tin foil and plastic both are waterproof. But we need to test for one. How am I going to decide which is the best? Yes, Mohammed. Durability. What else are we going to check after waterproof? Flexibility. So if you're, yes. That's what we're talking about, right? Suitable. Why is it suitable? Yes, tin foil is waterproof. Yes, plastic is waterproof. Yes, bubble wrap is waterproof. But is it durable? Will it last long? Or is it flexible so that I can fold it and take it home? Right? I cannot have it out like this all the time. So think about those things. Even though they are all the 3 that you tested, you said to me, Miss, bubble wrap, tin foil, and plastic was waterproof. Yes, they are. Fabric, not waterproof. Paper, not waterproof. Yes, that's already eliminated. That means we already take them out of the game. The last 3 remaining. Now, which is the best out of those 3? You need to think about durability, that means lasting long. You have to think about flexibility and waterproof. And write your observation, because this is what we're doing right now, steps to success. We're writing observations. Quietly, I'm going to give you 5 to 6 minutes to write the observations that you found. You can discuss among your group, because you all did in a group, and then fill up the table with the things that you found. And off you go. Abdurrahman, you can do it here on the chair. Come here. Bring a chair, your book, and you can sit here. I'll bring a chair. Bring your book. Bring your book and a pencil. Come. Yeah, you okay? Sit down and then we'll write. Huh? We'll write in the table. Yeah, so find your table. The table that we found yesterday. Right? Here. So fabric, was it waterproof? Was it durable? Was it rigid? Put tick or cross. Yeah? So fabric was not waterproof, so put a cross. Durable, we don't even need because it's not waterproof. Then go to plastic like that.
But it's so easy to tear it.
Which one? Which one? Plastic, yes. But if you imagine, if you're taking the tin foil, right? You took the tin foil. Tin foil might give you what? Cuts, right? Tin foil. So will you be, a tiny child is 2-year-old, will he be able to wear a tin foil raincoat? He'll get cuts, right? And it might be heavy also. Will he be able to walk around? No. So then how will we use it, right? Then what about bubble wrap? Someone will come and what? Pop it. And then will it work for long period of time? Will it stay for long? No. So plastic normally, the better plastic, not the thin plastic, the better plastic stays for long. Yes. Yes. So that is why we found the plastic is the, yes, yes. Right. Muhammad, get up and write. I can't walk. I need to walk. Yeah, do all the 5. You did it? Okay. Nasir, you're going to share, yeah? I'm going to call you to share. Shihabi, fill up the table. Oh, Hashim, test. Now, fill up the table. What is it you're testing? Flexibility right on top. Waterproof right on top. On top. On top. Brown boxes. Brown boxes. Waterproof, flexibility, durability right there. Then ticks. Yes. That means anything else you noticed. Anything else you noticed? Yes. No, we don't have leather, darling. We did paper, we did bubble wrap, we did plastic, we did tin foil, and we did fabric. Anything else you noticed? Something we did not discuss and you noticed? Yeah, your opinion. That's very good. Well done. So, yes, what do you do next? So, fabric is not waterproof, right? Plastic is waterproof. Yes, it is durable. It stays for long, so tick. And this is not, it is flexible, so put a tick. Right? Tin foil, yes. Paper, no. Paper, no. Very good. Now you write down what did you see, which is the best. Which is the best waterproof material for raincoat. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Boys, I just wanted to tell you, you guys were amazing. I didn't even help anybody. You all found your own ideas to create the raincoats with all the materials. I'm so proud of you, the way you all handled yourself. Amazing work. Everybody gets 10 achievement points because you guys were out of the world best. Got it? I loved the way you all handled yourself. I loved the way you all tested out the materials, and I'm loving the way you all are using your observations, right? I'm going to give you 2 more minutes. Now, in the additional comment section, I want, like Khalifa pointed out, what do we do there? He said, it's my opinion, right? It can be some opinion of yours, which you noticed while testing the material. What is the LO again? Test the material for the best waterproof for the raincoat. So that's what we're testing, and we are now at this stage of writing our observations. So I'm going to give you 2 minutes. We will then share our conclusions in the class. We'll bring our books and come inside, right? 2 more minutes, off you go.
Let's talk about the observation.
Did you finish? Now write out of this which is the best. Out of this which is the best you saw. This is best, but it is not durable. We cannot use for a long period of time, right? It will get bad very easily. This one will stay for long, so write that down, which is the best material. Mubarak, did you write the observation? Yeah. Now write a conclusion. So, yeah. So durable, is it weak? Very good. I love the word you're using, weak. Very good. That means it might stay for maybe 3-4 weeks and then it will get destroyed. Naji Hussain, don't look around, darling. If you imagine when you look at me, what am I doing? My clothes get wet when I'm sweating, right? Sweat, yeah. Because you all know I feel hot very easily, right? So my clothes become wet. That means fabric is not waterproof. So finish off your observations, please.
I did not get wet.
Huh?
I did not get wet.
Yesterday.
When he did it, we tested fabric.
Yeah, because you have to wait for longer period of time. But generally when you're checking, what happens with fabric? Fabric means what? Clothes, right? So that means you did not pump the amount of water that we discussed we need, right? So sometimes it happens, it's fine. And the felt is a very thick material, so we have to wait for a little bit of more time. Got it? Paper, it's easier. Paper is easier. It absorbs water very easily. But fabric, it takes time. Got it? So that is why. Understood? Yeah? Now, are we all ready to share? Are we ready to share, Naji? Show me what you did. Give me that. Fill it up everywhere. Huh? Highly means very much. Very much. Right? Sorry? That means any opinion you have while you tested, anything you observe which we did not discuss, anything else. Sorry, Miss Jude. Mohammed. We are in the last stage, Miss Jude. Doing the observations are done. Conclusions now.
Somebody can help you clear up.
We will have fun clearing up too. Remember that. Investigation is not just doing, it's also clearing up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So what we are going to do, we are going to quickly means what? Are we running? No. Quickly means very sensibly, we are going to walk with our books into our classrooms. Let's go. We'll go one group at a time. Tamim's group, just wait. Miss Nelly, shall we go in? We'll all stand, Miss. No, because the tables are all messy. Boys, let's go.
Okay, everybody stand up.
Right, stand up. Leave the items, only your books. We need only your books. Only your books. Let's go in. Right. Stand behind your chair. Everybody must stand behind their chairs. Stand behind your chair. Stand behind your chair. Stand behind your chair. Nasir. Nasir. Stand behind your chair. Come on. Well done, boys. Stand behind your chairs. Come on. No, not now, darling. Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And more chairs with our books open. We are going to share our conclusions. We are going to share our conclusions. So I want everybody to stand behind their chairs and keep their observations open so that we can have a discussion about our experiment or investigation. Now, what are the parts that we already finished? We are done with identifying the materials and their properties. We have tested out the suitability of materials. You have written your observations. Now we are going to draw conclusions and see what did we find finally from our investigation. Right, we are going to share a bit. Remember, what was the LO again? To investigate the suitability of materials for a raincoat. So, I found when I walked around, beautiful comments made. I loved it, the words. You also, some of you I saw used your word maths. Now, we found all the observations. We need to now finally decide which is the best material and why. Right? Now, maybe I will use my lolly sticks to call out people. Who should I choose? Let's see who's Miss Upasana is going to choose. I can't choose because I need someone who has not spoken at all. Hamad Sinead, come out here, darling. Share your observations. Bring your book. Share your observations and tell me what is the conclusion you could draw. Yes, share your observation.
Waterproof foil is waterproof.
Okay.
Fabric is not waterproof.
Okay.
Bubble wrap is waterproof. Paper towel is not waterproof. Plastic is waterproof.
Okay.
Durability, foil, yes. Fabric, yes. Bubble wrap, yes. Paper towel, no. Plastic, yes.
All right. So now you gave me two different things you tested. Yes. You tested, everybody, did you test for waterproof? Yeah. Check? Yes, check? Yes. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. How many of you checked for durability? Thumbs up. Durability, thumbs up. How many of you checked for flexibility? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Which one? Thumbs up. Now, out of all the things that he said plastic was durable, waterproof and flexible. Tin foil might not be as flexible as plastic. So out of these two, which one do you think you'll draw a conclusion from, which is the best material? Nasir, can you tell us why you decided foil, did you say? Is foil more flexible or plastic more flexible? Foil is more flexible. Do you agree with him? No? Why?
Because
Yeah?
the plastic is more, because we found out that
Yeah?
plastic is more, it's waterproof and it's more durable
Very good.
and flexible.
Very good. What is durable again? Strong. That means it's going to last longer. Can you imagine a year 2 boy? He's wearing tin foil. Can you imagine? Poor boy. What will happen to him? He will fall down. He'll have cuts. So even though it's waterproof, you
Foil is not suitable.
yes, you have to think about those things. Is it cheap or it is expensive? You have to think about those things also. Remember that. Right, Hamad, you can go. I will have one more person to share. Hashim, do you want to come out? Yes? If you don't, it's fine. We can choose something else. It's your choice. Remember, it's all students' choice. Right, what I am going to ask you, what is the best material you found? Plastic. Do you agree? Yes? What is, now I'm going to ask a different question. Bubble wrap, he says. Do you want to support what is the reason he said it's bubble wrap? What did you notice from your experiment?
Because when we tested the durability, it was hard. We like even tried ripping it, we couldn't.
So?
It was hard, so it's like, I think it's the
Most durable?
second
Okay.
most suitable for wrinkles.
Very well said. Go back. Right. So now, finally, I am going to do the final round. Is plastic durable? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Is tin foil easily usable? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Is it cheap or expensive, the tin foil? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Okay, so finally, what have we decided? What is the most suitable material? Our conclusion is plastic or tin foil? Everybody together, plastic or tin foil? Plastic. Very good. We can test other materials if we want, but today we did only up till those 5 materials. Now, we are going to have fun cleaning our things. Investigation is not just about testing, it's also about cleaning. About patience, very good. About patience, about cleaning. So we are going to put our books back in the cubby hole without pushing each other and rushing. Later. Right. Yes, we are. Right. We can take this off now, darling. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Not on my table, darling. On that side, on the floor. On the floor. Hamad, can you put this away, darling, on the floor there? Hussein, in that corner. Boys, clean up. Nasir, we have to be good teammates. We clean up the things outside. Mubarak, well done. They're recording everything. You can see that, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah? Yes, darling, there in the corner. Clean up. Achievement points for the people who are cleaning up. Achievement points. Put it there in that corner. Well done, Nasir. Well done, clean up. Well done. Put it there, darling. Clean up. Oh, they're all clean. Right. I need to speak with you girls, yeah? I need to speak with you. Right, clean up. What are we doing, Hamad? Put this in the bin, darling. Put this in the bin. Right. Sit down, don't do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit down. Sit. Thank you, darling. Who shouted? He's still recording. Don't shout. Right. Did you enjoy the experiment? Yes! I want you to tell me, what did you found the best about your experiment? What did you found amazing? You loved it. No, I'm saying what in the whole experiment. What was the best part of the experiment? Testing the materials. Anybody else? Anything else? Testing. Anybody? Spraying the water. I love that too. And Nawaf. Spraying the water. Something we can do well next time. What would you say you can do well next time probably? Something that you thought, oh, I didn't do well this time. Maybe next time when we do an experiment. Abdurrahman, are you okay, darling? Yeah? Sit down. Come here. Sit down here, sweetheart. Come. Sit. It's okay. Sit. So something that you thought, I could have done this even better next time. Maybe I'll try that. Yes, Tamim.
Like maybe you could have put the materials on properly because you didn't have enough time, so you didn't put it on properly.
So maybe next time we could do 2 lessons. Probably it'll give us more time. Anything else that you could have done better? Spray more water. Maybe when we used the controllers 10 pumps, maybe we needed a little bit more. Maybe we needed to wait a little bit more. Yes, we did get the results. Maybe we'd have come up with even better results, right? Anything else? Yes, Mubarak?
You can add more materials to make it.
Yes, I love that. Oh, I love that thought. He said we could have tested a few more materials probably. It would have given us maybe something is even better than plastic. We don't know. We tested out only those 4 materials. I love it, Mubarak. 2 points for you. He said we can make it even more challenging. I love when boys challenge themselves. Well done.
We can mix the materials together and try if it's water.
Oh, that's an innovative idea. He says, what if we mix plastic, tin foil all together in layers? What would happen? That's a good question to ask. And this is the last one I'm taking, okay? We are finished now.
And try like to spray water and we check how many seconds.
We could have had the...
Inside
Yes, we could have checked the timer. We could have used the control as a timer. So now, Makib, we are going to talk about it in the next lesson. Okay, darling? So, give yourself a fantastic, boys. Fantastic. And pat your bags because you guys are amazing. Well done. Everybody gets achievement points. And we are done.